Right, guys, today we're going to be looking at the world's first AI trading analysis platform. Okay, now we all know AI is taking over the world with even the latest edition of the Fury v Usyk fight where AI scored it as well. Now, before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Okay, now here we have it. It's smartcharts.net. Link will be down in the description, and I'm going to be reviewing this for you, showing you the full process of it and also a sneak peek into the dashboard once you sign up. Okay, so as you can see, it's the world's first AI trading analysis platform. You maximize your trading potential with the AI powered strategies. One-click execution, learn, trade, and grow. Now we can see they've got 5,000 plus verified users with over 27 different premium features and 10 different trading strategies, which I will show you later on in this review, so do stay tuned and just let me know. Okay, so they do have that risk warning, which I always say anyway, and like I say at the intro, trading is highly speculative, involves significant risk, it may not be suitable for investors. Ensure you fully understand the risks, which is totally fair to say. Sometimes you don't even see that on pages like these. Okay, so it's got the trade built-in AI strategies. This is a little sneak peek exactly, so they do have ideas. So they do provide trade ideas as well. So if you're looking to take certain trades or you're looking at just getting this to take some trade executions, they do give you your target, your entry, your stop, and also how confident they are in the trade itself as well. Okay, so a little bit into built-in AI trading strategies. Okay, so they say they unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence with SmartCharts proprietary built-in trading strategy. Designed to optimize your trading experience, these AI-driven strategies analyze vast amount of data in real time. Now, the signals we just spoke about and the easy one-click trading feature. So we can see it just here on the right in the small bit on your mobile phone section, but you've got the buy and you've got the sell, which you can simply by pressing a single button execute the buy or the sell. Okay, so they're also claiming that they have created the first true hybrid e-learning and trading tool of its kind. It's a software platform that doesn't compromise on quality, content, or features, created by traders for traders. Scroll down to find out why thousands of users trust SmartCharts. Okay, so let's take a look. So you can learn as you trade. So this is a very good point they do have, because as you can see, they've got over 65 trading videos, 300,000 worldwide people, 13 learning guides. Now, because they do the proprietary market scanner, but also the trade ideas, you can simply take the trades that they're suggesting and learn your craft at the same time, which is obviously going to be very beneficial for some people, because you want to earn and learn at the same time. Because if you're learning, like, trading can take a long time to master it. It's obviously a lot of mental and it's a lot of learning the skill. So if you've got a website and a platform that will give you those trade ideas so you can get that income coming in as well, it sounds perfect. Okay, so the proprietary market scanner, you can see that it's the two key strategic problems that traders face: finding the right opportunities and trading them with precision. Now, with the built-in scanner, it helps to resolve these difficulties by scanning each market constantly to help you determine potential entry and exit points. Okay, so their toolkit, they have a palette of drawing and annotation tools through to the intelligent analyst systems. It's also cross-compatible, which we saw on the image above. You can get it on mobile, tablet, also on PC and MacBook as well. Okay, so they're also saying SmartCharts is not just another trading strategy. What you can see here is they're giving you an insight into some of the strategies they do with their AI. So you've got the T-wave strategy, which is based on trends. We've also got patterns, which obviously speaks for itself. It analyzes the charts and recognizes patterns for you. And you've got your Swing Pro AI, which is designed to identify and capitalize on swing momentum in the markets. So this would be for a longer duration of trades. So you know that you have swing trades, day trades, scalpers, etc. This would obviously be ideal for those traders that trade for a little bit longer. Okay, so some of the good things about SmartCharts, which they are saying, I can't disagree either. I'm going to show you the back office as well, but what I want to do is just say that these are spot on. Like, you will make better decisions because the AI will give you like an extra confidence. As a trader, you always do things to make sure it meets confluences. So make sure it meets like bullet points that you have set out. So if you've got an AI that backs your idea or what you visually see, then obviously that's just going to add to the basis of making it a stronger trade. You get to improve your risk management and also trade anytime and anywhere, as it's accessible on multiple different devices. Now, also accessing SmartCharts, you do get access to over 14,000 different traders And they currently have 100% payout actioned in line with their terms, which obviously go over, make sure the terms and conditions meet your needs. But this is obviously amazing to see that they've got 100% record. Now, looking at their Trustpilot, you can see that there are a lot of 4 and 5-star reviews. You can also click on here, 757 with a rating of 4.2 out of 5, which is phenomenal because you always get some sour people anyway. There's some publications which you can go over and see for yourself as well. And what I want to do is just quickly show you the back office. So once you've signed in, you will get to this stage. You can see that they've got their patterns AI here, also price setups AI as well. And there's a welcome back stage as well. Now the learn section is obviously the education. Obviously, I won't go into too much detail with this because there will be other videos explaining everything we see. But you can see the charts are here. We can change the strategy. We've got our trades. We haven't got any open trades. You can also journal. They've got a coaching section, live events section, tools, and also the ideas section. And there you have it. That is a review on SmartCharts. Now, personally, and to summarize, this looks incredible. I'm not even just saying that. Now, as a Forex trader myself, having something like this with everything involved and AI giving you that extra credit and that extra ability to make that right judgment on a call is substantially helpful because it gives you that extra confidence. Like, these are all AI that have recognized the patterns and have that little confidence in different sections. Now, if you're a pattern trader or if you're a swing trader, or even if you look for support and resistance, there's something in SmartCharts that will help you for that. So honestly, give that link down below, give your own due diligence, let me know in the comments your opinion. But for me, this is definitely going to be a platform that will get to heights, and a lot of people are going to use this for sure. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now,